Today I'm going to teach you how to make folders in Thunderbird email. Creating folders helps you organize your emails better and keeps your inbox clean and manageable. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to open your Thunderbird application. Once it loads up, take a look at the left side of your screen. This is where you'll see your email account listed along with any existing folders you might already have. This sidebar is your main navigation area for managing all your email organization. Now, to create a new folder, you need to right-click on your account name. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for and click on the option that says New Folder. This is the starting point for creating any new folder structure in Thunderbird. After clicking New Folder, a dialog box will pop up. The first thing you'll need to do here is input a name for your new folder. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for the type of emails you plan to store there. Maybe it's for a specific project, a client, or a category like receipts or newsletters. Whatever name you choose, type it clearly in the provided field. Next, you'll notice an option that says Create as a subfolder for. This is an important feature because it determines where your new folder will be positioned in your folder hierarchy. Click on the drop-down menu next to this option. You'll see a list of your account and any existing folders. Choose whatever location suits your organizational needs best. If you want it as a main folder directly under your account, select your account name. If you want it nested under an existing folder to create a more detailed structure, select that folder instead. Once you've named your folder and chosen its location, go ahead and click the Create Folder button. This confirms all your settings and initiates the folder creation process. And that's it. Now you just need to wait a moment while Thunderbird processes your request. Within seconds, your newly created folder will appear in the left sidebar exactly where you specified it should go. You can now start organizing your emails by dragging and dropping them into this new folder, or by setting up filters to automatically sort incoming messages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.